So we have this question here. The question is beautiful, right? This is exponential equation, right? So 6 to the power of 3x minus 2 equals 7 to the power of 3x minus 2. So now you can see we are having the power. The two powers are the same. Okay, quickly you can guess the value, what the value of x is. Okay, now let's say if the power here to be 0, you know, if we have 3x minus 2, okay, equals 0, because we have the same here. You can see that if this to be 0, so 6 to the power of 0 will give us 1, and 7 to the power of 0 will also give us 1. So which shows that is when this can happen, right? Because this and this are the same. So if 3x minus 2 to be equals 0, so 6 to the power of 0 will actually give us 1, and 7 to the power of 0 will also give us 1. So which makes this equation to be what? To be satisfied, right? So therefore we can deduce from here that 3x minus 2 equals 0. Then taking this to this side, we have 3x equals 2. Then we have over 3 over 3. Then we have x. X will be 2 over 3. So now the value of x will actually be 2 over 3, and that's all. But now, how can we solve this? If you don't want to go this way and you want to solve it algebraically, all right, in case you want to apply the knowledge of indices here, right? So let's see how we can get this 2 over 3. Thank you. So now from here, I will go by this, by dividing through by 7 3x minus 2. So 6 3x minus 2, then dividing 3x minus 2, you see that 7 3x minus 2 divided by 7 3x minus 2. That's what I'm saying. Because if this cancel this, so everything there is going to be what? It's going to be 1. Permit me to clean it, and I'm going to be having 1 here. I'm going to be having 1. So now if this is 1, at the right hand side is 1, right? So what do you think we can do? Since this and this are the same, that is the powers, we can write this as 6 over 7, then to the power of 3x minus 2, then equals, here we have 1. And you know that from the law of indices, when a number raised to 0, it will actually give us 1. And we have the base here to be 6 over 7. So definitely we can write this base also to be 6 over 7 because of this here, then raise it to the power of what? Of 0. So that when you have 6 over 7 to the power of 0, we give you 1. Right? So now from here, we can just compare. When you compare, you can see that the two bases are the same. Then it creates the powers, that is from the law of exponent. Now taking this to this side, we have 3x equals 2. Then we have x to be equals 2 over 3 by dividing both sides by 3. So you can see we have x to be 2 over 3, and that is what we've gotten. So now from the first thing we did by guessing the value of x. And that is the end of the class. If you find this class very interesting, kindly share this to your colleagues, follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Bye bye.